صلى الله عليه وسلم واليهودي ده احمر وكذاب ابن كلب.
The blood of Jesus Christ was shed. The blood of Jesus was shed for the remission of sin.
not Jesus.
And only the
الله
blood
لا
of
إله
Jesus
إلا هو
can cleanse you
الحي
from your
القيوم.
sin. Nothing but the blood. God said, when I see the blood, not when I see your works,
Mr.
when I see the blood, I will
مستر
pass
علي
over.
بابا
When the
غير
Jews
مستر
were in the land
دونكي
of
كريزي
Egypt, and
الحمار
when the
كذاب.
Passover lamb was killed, the Jews, they were all saved because they were under the houses where the blood was, on the lintel posts, on the doors of the posts. The blood was on the door. And God said, when I see the blood, I will pass over.
عيسى
The
ابن مريم
blood,
فلان
not
فلسطين.
your works,
Where did
not
it
your
say?
pilgrimages,
عيسى ابن
not
مريم
your
مسلم.
prayers, not your fastings. When I
عيسى
see
ابن
the
مريم
blood,
مسلم.
when I see the
والله
blood,
مسلم.
only when I see
والله
the blood.
عيسى ابن مريم مسلم. يا بهايم يا ولاد